Today, we're gonna talk about condo hotels and why are those different than any other condominium that you might purchase. And I have today here with me Maria Reinhart for PRMG that's gonna walk us through the project.
Yes, so condo hotels, not everybody's financing condo hotels. So you just because you're getting pre-approved for a purchase, be specific on the type of property that you want to buy. Because as a first-time home buyer, you have the option to put as little as 3% down payment. But as soon as you find the property that is a condo hotel, everything can change. And it can go from 3% to 25, even 30% down payment in most of these buildings. So it's important that you do it. The reason why is because since it's a condo hotel, it's a commercial property. So the bank doesn't have 100% control of the whole building because it's a condo hotel and there's management and it's different regulations, different bylaws. So whenever we're lending, we want to be secure that God forbid you can't pay your house, or your condo, we are gonna keep it back. But when we have to fight back with the condo hotel regulations and bylaws. So that's why we want to make sure that you invest a little bit more money. There's a lot more restrictions because we need to see not only the budget or how much the condo is making, because there's a residential and then there's the hotel part. And obviously in the hotel, nobody is paying on a monthly basis fees, right? So the budgets are completely different. So you have to pay attention whenever you're looking to buy a condo. The interest rate is also a little bit higher on a condo hotel because not every bank wants to lend in a condo hotel because it's not very secure. Yeah, that's the right word.
Right. So basically what she's trying to say in a few words is that when you're going away from the standard things that they're doing in this business, such as FHA and conventional loans, you're going basically exploring a different type of business, a different animal. And this is condo hotel, commercial, everything that comes with a bit of a risk, more risk than you would have on a standard deal. So because of that, because the risk is higher, they not only ask for more documents, but also your interest rate is higher. Because remember, banks do have to sell these loans in secondary markets, meaning to other banks, so that they can make some money on your money.
Right, correct. Yeah, so whenever we're pre-approving a client, right, we always check credit, capacity to see how much money you make. We also check capital, how much money you have saved, checking account, savings account, 401k. But also the 4C is extremely important because you have to match with a 4C that is collateral. So the type of collateral that you can finance, in this case condo hotel, it's a completely different animal than if you're buying a house, a single family home that is a lot and block and we own the land. Whenever you're buying a condo, same thing. Whenever you're buying a commercial property, a multifamily, the collateral has to make sense for the lender and for the specific program that you're getting pre-approved.
Right. So basically what you're saying, if I understood correctly, is not only that the person has to qualify, the property has to qualify so 100%. That the bank, okay, so there's two things that need to qualify in order for them to be able to lend you the money, isn't it?
Correct. Yes,
Okay.
Absolutely. So make sure that whenever you're looking for a property and you're talking to your lender, you tell me, Maria, I want to buy a condo hotel, or I want to buy a multifamily, or even like there's some buildings now that is residential on the top and commercial on the bottom. That also, it's a different type of collateral that we have to look because FHA might not like those type of properties. So I might be pre-approving you for a single family home, but then you tell Anca, show me condo hotels, and then we're not aligned. So make sure that you know specifics on the type of property that you want because that could affect your down payment, your interest rate, your capacity to get into the house. It might be a little more expensive. So all that, please reach out to us because condo hotels are booming in Miami,
right?
And we want to help you get them financed, but we want to make sure that you know what you're getting into.
561-568-9318. Shall you have additional questions? Maria's information is also gonna be down here, and we cannot wait to meet you.
Yes.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.